Listen to this report from the Harvard Medical School and School of Public Health up in Boston. It says a diet rich in anthocyanins, and that's a category of flavonoids, may help lower the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. Men and women who regularly consume foods rich in anthocyanins like berries have a lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease. It says, moreover, a flavonoid-rich diet, including apples and oranges, may cut the chances of developing the disease by up to 40% in men. Our findings suggest that flavonoids, especially the anthocyanins, may protect against the development of Parkinson's disease. Evidence for neuroprotective effects of these compounds. Our findings suggest that flavonoids, specifically a group called anthocyanins, may have these neuroprotective effects. And it says the researchers found that men with the highest percentage of intake of flavonoids, including tea, green tea, the berries, apples, oranges, orange juice, the carotenoids, have a 35% lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease. So not only do you have cardiovascular protection and the normalization of blood pressure, as we read to you, and boosting of your memory, you've got heart as well as neurological protection when you consume a high amount of these amazing fruits and vegetables.